In this video, we're going to show you how to install the brake light switch on your Ford Focus, located just above the brake pedal. Now, if you find your brake pedal right here, follow it up, and right here is the brake switch. Now, you want to go ahead and start by disconnecting the electrical connector right here. Ideally, you want to just push on the little tab here, and it should come off. There it is. Now we're going to go ahead and take our brake light switch and we're going to rotate it clockwise. And then it pops off. Now right here we have our new component and it's keyed. It can only go in one way and you're going to twist it counterclockwise to lock it into place. You can see the little key design here is going to line up with this. Press it in, rotate it counterclockwise. That's installed. Go ahead and take your harness, line that up, push that on. At this point here, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.